If your traffic is high but your bookings are low, your reservation system is almost certainly the culprit. It is the bridge between interest and revenue. If the bridge is broken, nobody crosses. Here is how to optimize the Amelia plugin to turn those maybe visitors into paid appointments. In this tutorial, we are covering 3 advanced optimization tips to streamline your online booking system, improve the user experience, and ultimately get more clients on your calendar. One of the biggest conversion killers is decision fatigue. If you have multiple categories and services, the default search view can overwhelm users. By using Amelia's shortcode attributes, you can skip the general selection page and land users directly on a specific service. Create dedicated service landing pages on your WordPress site. Instead of a generic Book Now page, create a page for deep tissue massage and use a service-specific shortcode. Go to Amelia and note the ID of your high-value service. In your WordPress editor, instead of the standard Amelia Booking shortcode, use Amelia Booking Service 1. Replace 1 with your actual ID. Now, you have a booking calendar dedicated only to the service you chose, so customers can book it instantly without getting lost in a list. High booking volume means nothing if the appointments don't happen. To double your revenue, you must protect your time and ensure the customer's calendar is synced the moment they pay. Use two-way Google or Outlook sync, combined with required buffer times to create a premium, always available but never rushed experience. Navigate to Amelia, Features and Integrations. Select Integrations, then click on Google or Outlook Calendar. Connect your account and toggle on Remove Busy Slots. Now, your personal events automatically block your booking availability, so you never have to worry about being double booked. This workflow allows you to create exclusive, date-specific booking windows with specialized pricing to trigger fear of missing out within your audience. Before setting up your special day, you must ensure Amelia is ready to handle price overrides. Navigate to Amelia Features and Integrations. Find the Custom Pricing option and enable it. Next, configure the special day. Go to Amelia Employees and select the specific provider. Click the Special Days tab and click Add Special Day. Choose the specific date and set unique hours. Under the Services section of that specific special day, select only the promotional services. Finally, go to Catalog to edit your promotional service. Click the Pricing and Duration tab. Locate the Custom Price toggle, now visible thanks to Step 1, and switch it on. Enter your discounted rate. This override ensures the price is unique to this date only. Set your discounted rate and the date and time period. This override ensures the price is unique to this date only. The result: when users visit your booking link for that weekend, they see exclusive availability and pricing that isn't there any other time. This now or never pressure significantly boosts conversion rates. By moving from a set it and forget it mentality to these active optimization workflows, you turn Amelia from a simple calendar into a high-performance sales funnel.